This is again Khalid Iqbal. Today, caption of my vlog is what language is needed in order to be integrated into American society as quickly as possible. Let me tell you that although English medium is the common sort of education in third world countries, but still our spoken English is not mostly understood in America. I will advise all the youngsters, students, ambitious individuals who are interested to come to United States of America, they should develop a sort of a particular accent which is spoken in America, which is understood in America, and that accent could only be grasped if you have a habit of watching and viewing the English films, English dramas, or English talk shows. Reason being, you can understand this accent only when you have frequency of viewing and watching and listening their accent. Our accent mostly is not understood. We have to repeat our expression more than one time, and only then we are able to make them understand. So the very right criteria to get integrated, to get merged into American society is you should speak their accent and you should understand their accent. They have their own slang, and that slang, that type of accent could only be understood if you watch their TV, their dramas, their films. That is not possible to have by education, by degree, diploma. Mostly people from third world countries, they have their own type of Desi accent, and that Desi accent is not understandable. It takes time, to understand them, to merge into their society, and then after a couple of years of hard work, of hard labor, you get to know their accent, your style, their speaking behavior. So why not you get yourself accustomed by watching TV's dramas frequently, and the moment you land in America, you will feel at home and you will not find any problem. Otherwise, most of the people coming from third world countries, they find it difficult to understand. Even right at the time of landing at the airport, it gets difficult for you to describe your problem, and even immigration officers find it hard to make you understand because of the difference in the accent. So again, accent could only be understood, could only be mastered when you have a habit of watching the English films, dramas, movies frequently. Thank you very much.